Alright, today we're going to do a quick review of 3 different action cameras. We got the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver Edition, the GoPro Hero 7 Silver Edition, and the DB Power EX5000. Pros and cons to all of them. They all shoot in 1080p video. The GoPro Hero 7 does go to 4K. The Hero 7 and the DB Power both have screens on the back, so after you shoot whatever shot you got, you can review it and watch it, delete it if you don't want it. Does play audio with it when you review them. The Hero 3 does not have a screen on the back. Let's see. So, a pro with the Hero 3 and the DB Power, when we bought them brand new, they came with the waterproof case. The GoPro Hero 7 does not. You have to buy the waterproof case if you want to bring it down below 33 feet, and the waterproof case for this was 50 bucks. We bought the GoPro Hero 7 3 weeks ago, and when we bought it, the store actually didn't even have the case for it, so we would still have to go online and wait for it. So that's a con with the GoPro Hero 7. They should just come with the waterproof case. The Hero 3 can connect Wi-Fi, so you can set it up somewhere and be on your phone, and you can actually watch what you're filming, which is a plus. So can the DB Power. So the cons with these cameras, a while ago, probably like 2-3 years ago, the GoPro Hero 3 Plus wouldn't work. I had to go on the computer and download the update for it to update it, so then it worked. But it's an action camera. It should just be, you put the battery in it, SD card in it, and film. But the con with the Hero 7 is actually the touchscreen. So if you turn it on and if you accidentally touch the screen, just like that, it'll switch it to time lapse, or the opposite way, it'll go to photo. So I was trying to take a video, I hit it, and I accidentally hit it over to photo, hit the record button, thought I was taking a video, and came out with a picture. So to me, that is a con. The DB Power, if you want to change the settings to do like a time-lapse video, you actually got to go into the settings and change it manually, which kind of takes a minute or two. And then go down to time-lapse record, hit that, switch it, go back out, and then you can take a time-lapse video. So with all 3 of these cameras, this one was 330 bucks when we bought it brand new back in 2013. The GoPro Hero 7 was 200 bucks we bought brand new. The DB Power I bought off Amazon was 60 bucks probably 5-6 years ago. So one of the pros to all these is each case, they can connect to all the different attachments that GoPro sells or off-brand sells. So if you do buy one of these cameras, you don't have to buy a $40 selfie stick or anything like that. You can actually go online and buy a whole kit that comes with different attachments that all you'll need: head mount, handlebar mount, selfie stick, and they're pretty cheap on Amazon, so that's what I would do. Alright, so we've had this for 7 years. We've done a lot of video underwater footage, 4-wheelers, dirt bikes, go-karts. It does have good quality. The GoPro Hero 7 obviously will have the best quality of photos if you want to spend the money on one action camera. The DB Power, do some reviews. When I did my reviews, this one came out with very good reviews, so I bought it, and like I said, it was 60 bucks, so actually I could buy 3 of these for the price of 1 of these, so I could have different videos, different angles for the same amount of money to have one. Average Joe, I would go with the DB Power. Just like I said, it's cheap. It's reliable, it gives good video and pictures. But if you are serious about your action sports and all that other stuff, you can go with the GoPro Hero 7. You could probably find the Hero 3s for cheap if somebody doesn't want them anymore. You can buy them used from people for probably 50, 75 bucks. But any one of these worked great for our needs. Like I said, average Joe, I would go with off-brand. So let's look at some footage and you guys can determine which best suits your needs.